Hey guys, welcome to another 5 Minute Family History. Today we're going to help you out with something that most of us are going to need to do over the next few years of our lives, and that's decide on and finding baby names. And there's actually a way on Family Search that can help you do that.
Okay, so we'll start on, you'll log in, have everything set up, and you'll just go all the way down to the bottom and go to Evolutions Gallery. And then it will have a bunch of different like apps and things. And it's under photos and stories, and it's called Baby Name, Baby Ancestry. Just if you want to name your baby after an ancestor but don't know which one, this website can help. And so you'll just sign into Family Search, and it'll scan your ancestors, and then it like has a list of all your ancestors and all the names. And then let's say you want to name your son John, you can click on it and it brings up all your ancestors that have the same name as John. And so you can click on them and just get to know those families and see who you would like to name your baby after. And you can do all names, or if you're having a girl, you can do girl names, or if you're having a boy, just boy names. And that is all that we have for you guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.